Welcome. In front of me I have Motorola Moto G8 Power Lite, and today I will show you how fingerprint sensor works in the smartphone, so we can find fingerprint on the back in the smartphone and take a look how it works. So it works really nice, it's pretty fast. And it's reliable, it can recognize my fingerprint every time for that few tries. Take a look. Maybe it's not the fastest sensor that you can find in the smartphone, but it's not that bad for that price range. So definitely worth to use it, worth to activate this method. And that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.